Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can cut copy paste your folder and file. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. I'm going to open my folder from here. You can see these two files and one folder from here. I'm going to select all of these. I already told you how you can select your file. Now if you want to cut your video, then right click on it and simply select on cut. But this has a shortcut. Select your file and then simply click Ctrl X. It will be cut your video. So I'm going to refresh again. And if you want to copy your video, then select your file. Simply right click on it and select on copy. This also has shortcut key. Simply select your file and click Ctrl+C. It will be copy your file. Open your folder where you want to copy or cut your video or file or folder. I'm going to open this and right click on it. Then simply click on paste, or this also has the shortcut. Simply press Ctrl+V. It will be copy your folder and file. So in this way you can easily cut, copy, paste your file, folder and videos. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.